there, Morphle.
What's wrong with him? Hydra, hippogriff, hiccups. Aha! Morphle has hiccupitis. Hiccupitis?
Yes, hiccupitis. It's common with magic pets and nothing to worry about. All Morphle has to do is stay in bed for the rest of the day and rest.
And by tomorrow morning, he'll be all better. No more hiccups.
Poor Morphle.
You two should still go roller skating. Have fun.
Are you sure?
Absolutely. We'll take care of Morphle. We're parents.
Morphle. We'll be back later to check on you. Feel better.
There, Morphle.
We'll help you feel better in no time. Morphle, stop. You need to stay in bed.
Oh, come on, sweetie.
Morphle escaped Mila.
Oh, you want to go with Mila, huh? But you need to rest, understand?
Morphle better, not sick.
Are you sure you don't have to hiccup? I know you miss Mila. The sooner you rest, the sooner you'll be better, and then you can play.